The trial for an Odessa woman charged with capital murder came to an end earlier tonight. The jury found Ashley Schwarz guilty. In 2020, Schwarz forced an 8-year-old girl named Jalen, who was in her care, to jump on a trampoline in 100-degree temperatures, all while denying her food and water. Schwarz was also guilty of 2 other charges. Tyler Dupnick has been covering this trial all week and has more on the verdict. Tyler?
Alex, the jury deliberated for about 3.5 hours this afternoon before the verdicts were made around 6 p.m. this evening, and a 4-day trial had reached its conclusion. The jury found Ashley Schwarz guilty on all 3 indictments. Both capital murder and injury to a child were based on intentionally or knowingly exposing Jalen to extreme heat while forcing her to engage in strenuous exercise while preventing her from receiving adequate food and or water. Injury to a child by omission was based on failing to provide adequate supervision, shelter, medical care, and or food and water, and the defendant had a legal duty to act to unit the child's mother or legal guardian. There's only one punishment for capital murder, and that is life in prison without the possibility of parole. Closing statements were made earlier this afternoon, where the state argued Schwarz knew of dangers involved in dehydration, the heat, and fainting spells Jalen had experienced in the past. They reminded the jury that Jalen's cause of death was dehydration and hypothermic conditions, and they also put together a timeline from 1 to 2 p.m. the day Jalen died that they claimed left a 15 to 20-minute gap for the Schwarzes to get their story and create a cover-up. They concluded their argument by saying that this situation can't be fixed, but that justice could be given to Jalen. Now, Schwarz had her bond revoked immediately and was then handcuffed and taken into custody. The punishments for the 2nd and 3rd indictment will be made on Monday starting at 9:30 in the morning at the Ector County Courthouse. Be sure to stick with News West 9 for the latest and newswest9.com for more information on this trial. Alex.